Okay, so Blake is getting us coffee right now. Just woke up. We woke up at like 5:30 a.m. again. We went to bed a little bit later last night than we did the first night. I think we told you about our day of arrival yesterday. Day one, we got some coffee, got some pastries, drove all the way to Hilo, which is beautiful. We planned on doing some hiking, but it was pouring the entire day. So we ended up, we went to Tatsumoon Ramen, which was super delicious. What else did we do? Oh, we went to the free zoo. We went first thing in the morning. So as soon as they opened, there was like nobody there. So it was great. It was really quiet. It was really quiet and it was really calm. It was a really nice experience to just hang out and like hang out with the animals and stuff. And it was free, so that was pretty cool too. And then we drove all the way to the Volcano National Park. All the parking was full for the hikes that we wanted to do. So we ended up driving back. It was 40 minutes there, 40 minutes back, so that kind of sucked. Then we got ramen. And then we decided we were gonna go back to the hotel because it was still raining the whole time. On the way back, we ended up passing the bioreserve and garden that I planned on doing on Thursday. It was still pouring rain, but we just said, fuck it. And we got ponchos. We got rain ponchos and we did the whole thing. It was fun. So that was pretty cool. And yeah, today is day 3. This morning we are going to do ATVs. And we're gonna go do ATVs. We're gonna go ride ATVs this morning. So we should be done sometime noon, afternoonish. And then we don't have anything planned for the rest of the day, so we'll see how the rest of the day goes. We're just gonna kind of play it by ear. But yeah, Blake is getting coffee for us right now. So, bye. Oh, and we came back and we went swimming. We cleaned up a bit, we went swimming for a little bit, we came back, we took showers, and then we went to the tap room. But the tap room only sells, like it only serves alcohol and appetizers, and we were fucking hungry. So we went to Nui Italian, also in like the Waikolo Village area. Paid $50 for pizza, and then got some drinks, and then went back to our hotel room and passed out. Yeah.
Check it. It's supposed to be a 20-mile-an-hour wind.
Dude, why are the cheddar puffs so...
I was thinking about it, we could probably throw some pants on if we wanted.
You look pumped. You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. That's the trail. Look at, show them the trail where people work out.
That is the workout trail out there. That's
There's a workout trail out there, and there's a workout trail right here. So we get to watch these fucking crazy fuckers. Oh, you always are videoing. I thought you were taking a picture.
I can't ever take a picture because you're butt.
I love you. I'm trying to look at the camera.
Oh yeah.
I always don't know where it is.
It's over there. I keep looking over there too.
There.
Oh, don't touch it.
It's windy today, and she's saying not to wear my shorts. Or yeah, not to wear my pantalones. And so I'm wearing.
But I said let's bring windbreakers.
I'm wearing my shortalones.
Am I telling you? No. No free tummy.
No free tummy. You want to see my toes?
No free toes.
I'm finally getting my stubble back so I don't look like a fucking crackhead. I don't know.
We made it to day 2 and I'm not like... Actually, I'm not like sunburned at all. This is all natural.
Yeah. The sunscreen we bought turns you blue, which is fine because if I was green, I would die.
Since we want to take a video for? Yeah, even when it stops, don't move it. On the road again.
brushed my teeth this morning.
Of course you didn't, because you're disgusting.
Bless you.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
Wave at the camera.
Just waiting for this fucking dipshit to fucking...
Like, so happy.
Oh my god, dude. Stick it in the fucking hole. Oh, you gotta get up.
Weekend's gonna be pretty busy, but I think right now just, you know, we're waiting for the fights. Everybody, no more warring. They don't have to fight and kill each other. Not 20 years later, after he dies in 1819, 20 years, sugarcane became the new king of the world. In the mid, you know, the 1800s, you're still sailing the high seas. You're drinking some bitter British tea. Glad you guys made it.
Beautiful. Yeah. Just make sure you film them.
See, this is the first time I take one on a trail, right?
This is cool. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh man, I'm leaving in park. I'm gonna...
Piggies. See, they're all black. All the pigs I've seen are like all black.
Like a little brown.
Yeah.
That was like a loop we just did.
Little momos. Oh my goodness. I know, it's so cute. Careful.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Not the cow patty, not the cow patty. Don't do it.
You got a cow?
Yeah, the cow.
So that's why everything you hear is so lush and so green and so rich. You guys went to the Hilo side. Set up the normal way like a guitar would be set up. Make sure I show them the basic, what is the four chords.
Yeah, it's cool. There's chicken.
Yeah, chickens everywhere.
Mango tree, all the flowers of the mango.
Oh, they're gonna pull in right next to you right now.
That's fine, at least I got it. Yes. Yummy.
Mine smells bomb.
Yummy. It smells bomb?
Yeah, it smells good.
Dude, it smells so good. What's this?
Okay. What, a little fucking flower market? Produce, flowers, vegetables. Avocado,
Some avocados.
Thursday through Sunday.
Fruit. Got fruit pocket. Got strawberries and chocolate. You're too tall. Yeah, represent Arizona.
Should I button it up?
Yeah, represent.
Okay, now I gotta undo the bottom buttons.
I saw some pictures.
Yeah. Looks nice. Look how bright this shirt is.
I know. Once you're out in the
It's
Hawaiian air.
It's like, bam, motherfucker.
No. Right there? Oh, hell yeah. Or the...
miss you every time.
Yeah. They're like, oh, did you just get your phone out? Okay. See if you can zoom.
I don't think we
He's his house. Yeah, so it looks like shit when he's around.
But-
Play, boo. You wanna try it?
Hopefully it's not.
Taste it. Is it good? I don't got perfect buns anymore. Oh, they don't look purple in this. They look brown.
Like potato?
Yeah. They look like a potato. Oh no.
It's purple, I promise.
What's
Sorry.
wrong? I'm just taking a video. Oh.
Keys. No, I'm just kidding.
Dude, I hate that. It's like, there you go. So, yeah.
And so, and I'm like, why have you never went to Hawaii?